Kodak PIX-PRO Astro Zoom AZ421WH16MP digital camera with 42x optical zoom and 3 inches LCD screen, wide. Powerful 1 megapixel CCD sensor gives you room to enlarge, zoom and crop to your heart's content without losing out on lifelike clarity or quality. 42x optical zoom and a 24mm wide-angle lens moves you closer to the subject and fit more into every frame. Face, cat, dog detection detects facial features and enhances it for true subject highlighting, even your four-legged cat and dog friends. Blink, smile detection helps you to capture the perfect moment. Face beautifier mode and loads of built-in touch-up features allow you to reduce his facial flaws, enhance skin tone and the eyes of your portrait subjects instant. Digital camera vlogging camera with YouTube 30MP Full HD 2.7K vlog camera with flip screen 180 degrees rotation with 32GB memory card and 2 batteries. 2.7K Full HD digital camera. This digital camera is crystal and clear in image shooting and video. The compact camera record video up to 2.7K, 2688 by 1520. It shoot picture at 30.0 megapixels. Pause function and recording while charging. This camera supports pause function so you can continue the recording in the same file without restarting a new one. The digital camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. You can record videos while charging. In this case, you can record long enough videos as you wish and no need to worry about battery drains. In addition, the YouTube vlogging camera comes with a 32GB micro SD card. Hark 3.0-inch camera with flip screen and continuous shooting. This digital camera's 3-inch screen can rotate 180 degrees and the vlogging camera support face recognition, making the camera ideal for selfie. Panasonic Lumix FZ300 long zoom digital camera features 12.1 megapixel, 1/2.3-inch sensor, 4K video, Wi-Fi, splash and dust-proof camera body, Leica DC24X f2.8 zoom lens, DMC FZ300K, Black, USA. 4K video and 4K photo. Panasonic's exclusive 4K photo technology uses 30 frames per second in high-resolution 4K Ultra HD video to extract them as photos. You'll never miss that moment again. Leica DC Vario Elmarit lens, 24x zoom, 25,600mm with full zoom range f2. 8 aperture for enhanced low-light shooting meeting the stringent quality standards established by Leica. High image quality. The 12.1 megapixel high sensitivity MOS sensor with the Venus engine excels in diffraction compensation, yielding images that are crisp and free from artifacts associated with small aperture settings. Rugged camera design. Splash-proof, dust-proof rugged camera design with tight seals on every joint, dial and button, so it stands up to harsh weather conditions and challenging. 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer plus reduces blur from one-handed video shooting by compensating for 5 types of movement. Level shot function detects horizon line and maintains it, even if the camera is tilted. Panasonic Lumix FZ84K digital camera, 18.1 megapixel video camera, 60x zoom DC Vario 20 to 1200mm lens, f2.8 to 5.9 aperture, Power OIS stabilization, touch-enabled 3-inch LCD, Wi-Fi, DC FZ80K, Black. Point-and-shoot long zoom camera, 18.1 megapixel MOS sensor plus 60x zooms DC Vario lens, 20-12-20mm and Power OIS, optical image stabilizer, captures far-off moments. High-resolution viewfinder and LCD display. High-resolution 1170K dot viewfinder and rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display, 1040 dots, are clear even in bright sunlight. Lens, 14 elements in 12 groups, 4K video capture, 4K QFHD video recording, 3840 by 2160, with 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video pause and save 4K photo modes extracts individual high-resolution photos from 4K Ultra HD video filmed at 30 frames per second to capture split-second moments. USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity. Enjoy travel-ready technologies like USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity to your mobile device. Kodak PIX-PRO friendly Zoom FZ53BK16MP digital camera with 5x optical zoom and 2.7 LCD screen, Black. Brand Kodak, model name Kodak PIX-PRO, shooting modes auto mode panorama mode program A scene mode shutter priority custom settings manual mode landscape phase beautifier auto mode panorama mode program A scene mode shutter priority custom settings manual mode landscape phase beautifier C mode, compatible mountings 4/3 color black. About this item, 5x optical zoom, 28mm wide angle, 16 megapixels, 2.7 LCD screen, 720p HD video.